Caitlin, and this is my pet cockatiel, Stormy. And we are going to be demonstrating 101 bird training. Episode 1, bird landing. Now she is fully trained, so this won't be as easy as you think it would be. Here's Stormy. Ta-da! Now it looks like it's just one bird just doing what it's being told. But you'll have to do this over and over again to be perfect. And soon it will know exactly what to do. Now, this is the end of the first episode, so I'm going to have to say bye, and she will have to say bye. Can you say bye? Say bye. She's shy. Bye-bye.